Hey, it's Desmond here. So we got the 4B.a.D method for mastering rap writing without getting stuck. Even for beginners, the method can be used by anybody. My 20 years of writing, I still use this method. And I break it down in 3 phases: to practice, to craft, and then the verse. I thought it would be important to tell you a little bit about why I created it. So this page just kind of has a really brief version of the story. And in short, I made a mistake of using inspiration as the only reason to write in the beginning. And I didn't improve as fast as I wanted to because I wasn't writing consistently. And because writing was really torturous for me in my youth, I needed the inspiration to get me through it. And it just got to a point where that technique stopped working, so I needed to create it a new way. And so that's what inspired the 4-bar method. The practice is the first phase. Basically, you got to figure out 4 things. It's probably hard to see in the camera, but your why, the cue, the routine, and the reward. This is all about using the science of habit formation to turn writing into a habit. And what a habit basically is just something you start doing automatically. And phase 2 is the craft. So after you have the habit, then you can start working on improving these 3 areas. The structure, which is really just about writing raps in a way that you can tell the flow. You'll be able to write raps without having to have the beat there. You can write with the beat, but you can also write without the beat with this method. The rhyme, which is, the rhyme and the content is like the essence of rapping. The content's like the cake, and the rhyming is like all the decoration on top of the cake. Most people only pay attention to the rhyming. But the content is, the core of it. And with the 4 bars a day method, you can use this to improve the craft of rhyming and the craft of your content. And we have phase 3, which is the verse. And this is me kind of breaking down my verse writing process, given ideal conditions. So you have kind of 4 steps. You choose your topic that you're writing about. You write 4 bars a day for multiple days, not just trying to write it in one session. Select your favorite, and then combine the 4 bars into your verse. So the ones that you like the most. In my book, there's Writes Bars and Poems too. So the cool thing about the 4 bars a day method, I'm trying to see if I can find it real quick. Oh, yep, there they are. I found some. All right, so here are my deleted bars from. So here's the Funk Rescuers verse that I did on a song called Funk Rescuers with Speaker Minds. And then here are the deleted bars that I liked, but just didn't fit the direction I was going in. And so what I really like about this whole process of the 4 bars a day and using it is that you take multiple attempts at verse. It allows you to get the best ideas, the best thinking, as opposed to just writing it in one session. And not opposed to writing a verse in one session, but if you can take your time and test multiple ideas, I found that brings the best results in rap writing. So that's pretty much the 4-bar method. If you're checking this out, you're probably already connected to the community online. But if you're seeing this somewhere else, the next steps is to get connected to the Rap Masters community, and also practice your 4 bars a day method. Get the guide if you haven't gotten the guide already. I want to teach this method to as many people as possible, and then I'll help provide more lessons and tools to help people master their rap writing, because it helps you master your growth, helps you discover who you are, as well as having a dope skill of rhyming. So appreciate your time and attention. As always, genius of doubt. I will catch you in the next one. And deuces, y'all. Peace.